Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am at the entrance where you can go to slide. So I'm gonna make a left turn. A right turn will take you all to Black River. So I'm on the Crane Road. So if you're just stopping by the channel, you can kind of subscribe or hit the like button and press the all icon. So if as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. So enjoy the ride with True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So I'm heading towards the Parity, you call it the roundabout. So keep on watching, guys. Them place here, I'm going to come and enjoy the tour and the view of them place here. You can go to Eyeglass Rest in Parity, you can go to Pelican Bar, you can go to the Safari. Yeah, a lot of guest house in the Parity area. So you all need to come take a tour. But Fire Reid I show you live and living colors, you know. So keep on watching, guys. If you make a left turn and you see we'll take you all to Parity. So I'm gonna keep right, we'll take us to Black River. Can take you to Mega Quarters and also to White House. On your left you have the Port of Call Hotel, AC room and cable TV and jacuzzi. the left, you have the Las Vegas Cafe, 70 Crane Road, Black River. So you can come to Las Vegas Cafe on Crane Road. Always remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, Jamaican tour guide, take you to different places in Jamaica that you only heard about, but I'm gonna show you how they look. On your left, you have the South Shore Hotel. So this is the next hotel you can come at. It's a guest house, bar and restaurant. Yeah man, so you can come there for your wedding reception and everything you needed there. So we're heading to Black River town. Yeah, I don't know, say Black River, they say have the first place to have electricity. On your left, you have the Claggy's restaurant. On your left, you have the Crane Road Beach. On your right, you have the Black River Safari. And now we're gonna cross the Black River Bridge, take you out to Black River Town. So you know, say that come up to Independence, you know, so they might preach up the place and everything. Driving in Black River on a Sunday. So on your right you have the Black River Park. So Black River Welcome Center South Coast Tourist Information Service. So on your right you have the St. Elizabeth Parish Court. On your right you have the St. Elizabeth Parish Library. Yeah man, a town of history this, you know. I think it's AM School of Medicine. So we're heading towards the Black River Hospital, which is on your left. So always remember, your health is your responsibility. Black River Hospital. On the right you have the health center, Southern Regional Health Authority, Black River Health Center. Guys, I'm gonna take you back up in the town. You're still gonna get a different view. We'll meanwhile going back up. So I'm gonna take you around the other side of the town, of Black River Town. So keep on watching. The True Jamaican tour guide Fire Reid. Yes, the paper, one love and one heart. Jamaica nice on a Sunday same way. At the Hendricks Wharf, that's where you find a lot of fishermen. Them come do them fishing because it's one of the biggest fishing area in Jamaica. It's in St. Elizabeth at the Hendricks Wharf. So the Black River Safari is 0.5 kilometer. So I'm gonna make a left turn, just taking a drive through the courthouse area. I think this is not a place where everybody wanna be, not for me. You see the Black River Courthouse. Yeah man, so I'm prepare for independence in a Black River town. Every independence, you know, a lot of persons come from different institutions, like from the military, police force, Girl Guide, Fire Brigade. Them come celebrate and have a march and all so. Just past Waterloo, guest house are the first place we have electricity. Which I'm gonna make a left turn, I'm gonna take you out to in-town supermarket. So when you come to Black River on a Sunday, you can come to in-town supermarket. In-town super save. So I'm gonna make a left turn, so I'm gonna take you right back into town area, Black River town area. Man, so know the parish, know the different turn off on the parish and how you look, you know. over here saying to know your surrounding in case of anything. So try and know your surrounding. So on your left you have the Black River Church, that is the parish church. So I'm gonna make a left turn which takes us onto North Street. So on your left you have the Black River Police Station. So if you as a person wanna like the crowd, the best time to tour any area is on a Sunday. Not too busy in the town areas. So I'm gonna take you around the riverside dock and also to the fish market. So if you want your fish when you come to Jamaica, you man need to go on a riverside dock around them area, get your fresh fish. Just come off of the boat. And also you can come to riverside dock. That's where you can get a Black River boat tour. And right from Riverside Dock across Riverside Dock, that's where you have the Black River Fire Station. The place. Yeah man, so I saw the fish market. It was today on Sunday, so the place kinda empty. But me I try to show you exactly where you can come and get to the fish, and also the market is right there. The Black River market, you can get your ground food and everything there. When you buy your fish, you just get your okra, your scotch bonnet pepper, and also any other thing you want to put in your Jamaican pot, you know. So thank you guys for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, your tour guide of Jamaica. Yeah man, take you to place here and there, you know. Them are pretty of a place.